So still on the gradient topic, the last video that I did, we found a gradient using 2 points, which we used the formula that says y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 is equal to the gradient. But that's not the only way we can use to find the gradient. As you can see, you might get a different kind of question where you are not given the points, but instead you are given an angle like theta. So theta is the angle between the positive x-axis and the line that you are given. So if you find yourself in a situation like this, you can use the formula which says m is equal to tan theta. So obviously m represents the gradient of the line, is equal to tan theta, and theta, important, it needs to be the angle between the positive x-axis and the line, not the negative x-axis, but the positive x-axis, not between this line and another line, but the positive x-axis and the line. So if theta is that angle between the positive x-axis and the line, you can just say the gradient for that line is tan theta. So if given that theta is 30 degrees and they ask us find the gradient of this line, so instead of trying to find the points which we are clearly not given, we can just go ahead and say the gradient of this line is equal to tan theta, which then becomes tan 80 degrees. So we can punch that in our calculators and we can get root 3 over 3. Tan 30 is equal to root 3 over 3. So this is our gradient. It's very easy to use this formula. The only thing you need to understand is that theta needs to be the angle between the positive x-axis and the line. So we might be given a situation like this, as from the previous question, which we found the gradient using the 2 points. So our gradient from the question was 3 over 2. So they can give you a question and say, the gradient is 3 over 2. Find what's the angle between the line and the positive x-axis. They are basically saying find the value of theta and they give you the gradient. So using basic algebra and common sense, we can just say m is tan theta. And we can see that we have two unknown variables, which is theta and m, which is our gradient. But since they gave us m and we are looking for theta, we can solve this. So we need to solve for theta. Theta is going to be our subject of the formula. So on the other side, we need to take this tan to the other side. So if we transpose tan, it's going to become tan inverse, tan to the -1 of m, which is our gradient. And from here we can go ahead and substitute tan -1 into 3 over 2, which is equal to 56.31 degrees. So this is the end of the video and you are still here, so please just take 1 second to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that more people can see it.